Before you purchase this wireless microphone system, you probably want to watch this video first. I'm going to show you what's in the package. And this is straight out of the box. You have the receiver, you have an adapter, you have the cable, you have the adapter in for the mic, 2 batteries, and you have the mic itself. And that mic on the right is one I've been using. It's not a wireless mic, so it's just in the picture. But I'm gonna zoom in and show you what's in the package. So first what you want to do is put the batteries in. One battery go into this receiver here. And this receiver plugs straight into the system. And you want to put the other battery in the mic. And you unscrew the bottom portion of it. Make sure you put the negative pole to the spring. Okay, once you got that done, you want to turn it to the on position. But first you want to put this jack in, this adapter in, the receiver. And you want to plug this receiver in into your mic, wireless mic. Then turn it to the on position, all the way on. Not the middle part, but all the way on. You turn the receiver on, and we give it a try. This wireless, it doesn't work well. You have to put the wire right next to the speaker.
Testing. 1.
So I tried a lot of stuff and I still couldn't get the wireless to work right. It'll work a little bit, but you can barely hear it. So I'm gonna unplug the wireless and go straight with the mic, the line that they sent. So you plug it in and you plug the other end of the adapter into the jack. And don't turn it all the way on. Turn it in the middle where it says mic. I'm gonna show you here. Just turn it right in the middle. Right here.
Testing.
It works
1,
perfectly.
2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello.
The wireless part didn't work good for me. So
Hello.
this is
Hello,
what experience
hello,
I
hello.
have. But if you guys experience something differently, let me know. So right in the middle.
Hello.
And it works fine.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
But the wireless did not work for me correctly. Thank you and have a great day.